Hi guys, my name is Melanie. And in this quick video, I'm going to tell you the whole truth about Exipure, also known as the Tropical Secret. Well, as you may have seen around, there are numerous sites promoting Exipure, but if you want to see the real product on the official site, I will leave the link in the description of the video. What is Exipure, and why is it different from other weight loss products? Well, while many other products have caffeine as their thermogenic base, Exipure is the only product in the world with a proprietary blend of 8 exotic nutrients and plants, designed to target low levels of brown fat tissue. The Exipure formula plays a role in combating the root cause of unhealthy and unexplained weight gain. Exipure helps reduce body fat by activating the fat-burning process in brown fat cells, thus promoting healthy fat loss without the use of chemicals or stimulants. Exipure is 100% natural, yet its ingredients are exotic and very distinctive, where no other weight loss supplement has them. It's no wonder that Exipure quickly became the best-selling supplement in the United States. And there are thousands of people who have had satisfactory results, including men and women, where there are reports that the results already appear in the first week of use. You can check this on the official website, on the link that is in the video description. So if you have that fat reserve, have tried everything, and can't eliminate Exipure, with its Tropical Secret is perfect for you. The credibility of Exipure is so highly regarded that they offer a 180-day guarantee. So if you use it properly, taking one capsule every day and don't feel the results, they will return your money unconditionally and without bureaucracy. Just return the empty Exipure bottles. Exipure is manufactured in the United States in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility. Exipure is currently on sale, which can be as much as $600 off. Plus it comes with 2 bonuses and free shipping, depending on the kit you choose. Exipure will change everything you thought you knew about weight loss. It literally melts the fat away. So that's it, folks. I wanted to make this video to tell you the truth about Exipure, and to warn you about the official website. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.